going?
Oh, hi.
Hey, you know, I see you down here all the time playing golf, and I was curious, if you don't mind me asking, what is it that you do?
Ready to be inspired? Feel for life!
Man, I love this business. I'm in for life. Shouldn't everybody be?
We have merged the three greatest trends of this century: network marketing, health and wellness, and social media. Their power to produce wealth is unimaginable. To live a luxury lifestyle and enjoy a lucrative income, you must know how to harness the immense power of each trend, and then unite these powers to make large amounts of money. Only then can you take full advantage of this grand opportunity. We're here to guide you, mentor you, and train you. Success in this business comes as a team, so let's succeed together. And just to show you how effective it is to succeed as a team, we will train you for free and reveal how you can have this lifestyle. Just enter your details and you will have access to our free training webinar. We'll see you on the other side.